today I am actually making a replica sword. So this is the original sword that I'm gonna be replicating. And here is what I've already done. I've already made one. I've already started, and I was just like, you know what, I might as well make a fucking YouTube video. I already put the tape on it. This is what I actually use, tape, all down the sword. I can even open the sword too. Hold on, let me open it. And it's bamboo, not real, but I customized the whole thing, and now I have to draw the curse on it. So enjoy me drawing the curse on, and enjoy the YouTube video. So I finished it, and here is my replica. Sorry the camera's shaking, I just kicked it. But here's my replica. I think other than like this being a little brighter in the red, I rewrit it with my hand. That is handwritten. We already know that. Did it on both sides because on here it's on both sides. And here it is. Bottom, and yeah, I finished it. What I could say the most, hold on, let me mute that. What I could say the most is what took me the longest was the wrapping. The wrapping took the longest, but I had fun doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. The next time that I customize a sword, I'm gonna do a start to finish. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. Oh, this is Akame sword. I totally forgot to say that. It's Akame from Akame Ga Kill. Bye.